friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can moisturize your hair and make your aloe vera gel and how to moisturize with clove oil. In fact, I posted a video yesterday on how you make a clove oil for hair growth, thinning hair, alopecia, bald patches. So these products that work well. So of course, I'm in a challenge of protective hairstyle. I've been doing protective hairstyle in a challenge of 6 months. Actually, we are in the second month, and this is my second month of doing these twist. Yes, with my own hair without any added hair. And I did mention that I'll be sharing, treatments that I'll be doing as we want to grow our natural hair. So if you want to grow your medium natural hair, then you can actually, follow my videos because we are growing our hair in 2022. Yes, so I post videos every day on this channel. Make sure that you come back for more videos every day. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that every time I upload you'll be notified. To my 198 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys for your love and your support. So we are going to use 2 aloe vera leaves. As you can see, I've just plucked fresh aloe vera, and this is a different species. And this one doesn't have a lot of yellow latex like aloe. It's not so pronounced. So we are going to rinse, wash them to remove all the dirty, and I'm going to leave it in the water for at least 15 minutes so that the aloe, the poisonous content, can be removed. And I'm going to show you, like, it wasn't so pronounced like some aloe species that I have. So I really love this one as well because it has a lot of gel in it. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So if you've been on this channel, you understand that I love aloe vera gel and juice. I'm trying to grow out my edges and my hair, and I've been using aloe quite often, and some clove, onion juice, onion oil. And I've also been using some ginger, garlic, different kinds. So at this point, our aloes are clean. We are going to cut off the sharp edges or the spiny edges, and we are going to extract some aloe vera. So aloe vera actually can help grow your hair because aloe vera gel's enzymes can rid the scalp of dead cells and promote the regeneration of skin tissues around the follicles. Aloe vera is packed with more than 75 nutrients, including 20 minerals, 18 amino acids, and 12 vitamins. Aloe vera gel for hair growth has several beauty-boosting properties when used as a topical agent. So the gel extracted from this wonder plant is rich in antioxidants that offer anti-inflammatory, soothing, moisturizing, and protective benefits of skin as well. So aloe vera is packed with active ingredients like amino acids and minerals, as well as copper and zinc, all of which clinically proven to help hair growth and helps hair to be healthy and strong. And aloe vera is also rich in prolytic enzymes that heal and repair damaged cells in the scalp. It improves the health of hair follicles and boosts hair growth. Prolytic enzymes also stimulate the dormant hair follicles, promoting regrowth of hair. So aloe plant has been used for thousands of years ago, like as early as 750 BC. There are more than 450 species of aloe vera. It is a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climate around the world. It's beneficial for many skin problems like wound, acne, burns. Aloe vera is also consumed as food in drinks and may have benefits for inflammatory bowels disease, diabetes, hepatitis, and more. So this wonder plant has many benefits both for hair, healthy, even for the body. So there are a lot of benefits, like I mentioned earlier on. So aloe vera will strengthen the hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids. It's rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. These play part in a healthy hair follicles. And aloe vera controls greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and you know will actually get rid of any extra oil like sebum. So our gel is ready, as you can see. So of course I'm not going to blend it. I'm just going to strain it the way it is. If you want, you can blend it if you want the watery consistency. So I'm going to use a spoon and I'm going to press against the sieve so that the gel can come out. So aloe vera will also help an itchy scalp, which is seborrheic dermatitis, a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. Research has significantly, find that it decreases the scaliness and itchiness. So aloe vera will also protect your hair from UV damage. Radiation that comes from the sun, UV exposure, can cause your hair to lose shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. So the amount of protein, of course, from UV light protection depends on the type of hair. So that is how our aloe vera gel looks like. So friends, you can actually comment in the section below if how you use aloe vera gel, yes, in your hair. So that is how it looks like, and that is the residue which has remained. But of course, if you happen to use you know another gadget like any hair, you can extract more juice. So I'm getting my bottle and we are transferring our gel into the bottle. As you can see, like, look at that slime. I really love it. So we are going to use the gel. Of course, I'm not going to finish everything. I'm going to use just a sizable amount for our hair. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel in as much as I love sharing. So we are going to use some aloe and our clove oil. Clove promotes hair growth and it's quite new in my regimen. We are trying to grow out our hair. So of course, like I've had this twist for it's we are clocking 2 weeks, yes, and I had washed my hair, just my scalp, yes, 2 days ago, yes. But of course, the more you moisturize, the more shrunken they become. So that is how they look like. Yes, it's been close to 2 weeks now. So like clove contains a variety of useful compounds, but its main active ingredient is a chemical known as eugenol. So eugenol is credited with potent antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties. Moreover, cloves are rich in many nutrients for hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium, vitamins C, and iodine. All these, they are good or fame of oxidants that help protect your hair and promote hair growth. So I'll be working in sections. So like it was not easy to use a spray bottle, but of course an applicator bottle can be so convenient. So I was just scooping the gel and apply it to my twist and then go in with a sizable amount of clove oil and I lightly massage my scalp. And then I braid that section. You can actually pin it whatever way you like it. Yes, so working in sections actually helps so that every strands could be coated with whatever product you are using. So like I want my hair to grow. I did a video actually on some time back, yes, that I have a problem with my 4C short medium natural hair, and we want to do this in 2022. So like I'll be using twists. Of course, I've set a goal for 6 months. Yes, we'll see how our hair will grow. And of course, like I'm seeing much improvement. Yes. And when you moisturize your hair, it will shrink actually, but you don't have to be worried about shrinkage. because it promotes growth. In fact, I have done a video on 5 benefits of clove for hair growth. You can check that video out, or clove oil. I'll link all the videos in the description box below so that you can check them out. So like the slime is just some, it was some kind of messy, yes, kind of messy, yes, but you can use an applicator bottle, yes. So I'll continue like working in sections until I'm done with moisturizing my hair. So at this point, we are moisturizing our edges. This is very, very important. You don't have to forget your edges because they're very fragile. And I'm going in with more gel on the edges, and I'm going to put some sizable amount of some clove oil, and then I'm going to lightly massage my scalp. So you don't have to neglect your hair, while in a protective hairstyle. Of course, people say that do protective hairstyle like grow your hair. The thing is, they do grow your hair because you are not manipulating your hair, you are not blow drying it, you are not styling, you are not touching it, because you leave it alone. So this helps like hair to be to see growth. So our hair is super moisturized, as you can see, but of course don't be worried about shrinkage. Yes, I'm so happy. And one thing, I've been using lighter products because we don't want build up in our hair. We don't want a situation whereby we have build up and then we keep on washing our hair. No. So I use lighter products. If you've been quite on this channel, when I'm in a protective hairstyle, I use lighter oils, yes, and moisturizers and hairsprays. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. God bless you. See you in our next video.